Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing what we call CRT to a best model WCT1 series. And what CRT is basically dropping the CFM of the unit, and we're going to drop it down to 400 CFM to make code. A lot of times, depending on where you live, code says that you need to bring in makeup air for anything over 400 CFM. By doing the CRT that Best came out with, it limits the output of the blower, so it falls below that threshold to meet code. So the first thing that you would do is you would remove this right filter, and again, I have this sitting on a table, it's not mounted. There's a service switch button. It's a rocker switch. What you would do is you would turn that switch off and just let it off for a couple seconds and then turn the unit back on. You see the lights just flash. What you're going to do is you're going to press the light button and the fan button, and you're going to press and hold them at the same time for 5 seconds. You just heard it beep. Maybe you didn't with the camera. What I'm going to do now is, now that it's in CRT menu, I'm going to press and hold the fan button for 5 seconds. You just heard a beep. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold that fan button for 5 more seconds. There it just double beep. By doing that, we just confirmed that the unit is going to be running at 400 CFM. What you would do is, inside this unit on the left side, when you're looking straight on, there is a label right here, and it says Code Ready Technology. What you would do is you would check 400 CFM, because that's what we did. We changed it down to 400 CFM. So I hope this video helps. Thanks.